Welcome back to Veritage Miami. Before the guests were able to start cooking, we were able to pull aside the chefs to see what they are preparing tonight. Let's hear what they have to say. All right, we're here with Chef Dina Marino with MC Kitchen, located in the Design District. And give us your exact address.
4141 Northeast 2nd Avenue.
Right there in the heart of it all.
Right.
Tell me a little bit about your restaurant and what kind of restaurant it is and what do you serve?
MC Kitchen, modern Italian, seasonal, 100%, local organic ingredients, whatever we can make in-house with a modern Italian twist to it.
How many people do you see?
200.
That's a big restaurant.
Yeah, that's great.
And how long have you been open?
Almost 3 years.
Congratulations. Tell me about tonight. What are you preparing and what's it going to be?
My course is a pasta course, the second course. We made 150 pounds of handmade cavatelli, ricotta cavatelli that we brought to the event. And they will be cooking sauce and pasta at their tables, and hope they enjoy it and can pull it off.
What's the most, you say pull it off, what's the most difficult part of tonight's event for you?
I think one table's cooking the pasta, one table's cooking the sauce, so I need both of them to combine it to get the dish that they're going to eat.
Have you done this event before?
No.
No, so this is a first for you too.
Yes, especially for 700. I've done 200-300, but not for 7. So.
Who's watching the restaurant tonight?
My sous chef, Victor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No.
Good hands.
No, it'll be a lot of fun.
All right, well listen, enjoy yourself, and your restaurant is called MC Kitchen in the Design District, and a great Italian cooking. If they want to go on down and see you, 4141 North of 2nd Avenue?
Northeast 2nd.
Northeast 2nd Avenue.
Great. Come see us.
Good luck. Good night. Bye-bye. Okay, we're with Chef Cindy Hudson, executive chef and owner of Ortonique on Miracle Mile, a wonderful, terrific restaurant that's been around for a while.
Thank you so much. We've been there a while, about 16 years now.
For our viewers out there that aren't familiar with Ortonique, tell me a little bit about your menu.
The menu's pretty eclectic, ethnic. I call it Cuisine of the Sun, and the reason I do that is because I want to cook anything I feel like cooking under the sun. I want it seasonal, I want it fresh. I want everybody to kind of be able to identify with something on the menu no matter where you're from.
And tell me a little bit about tonight's event. What are you preparing? And tell me a little bit about the challenges of what you're doing.
Well, the challenges are the high heels I happen to be wearing tonight. I'm not normally dressed like this. I had an appointment earlier, but nonetheless, I'm here, and the challenges are getting the people to listen. They're having a great time. They don't listen to you, so you hope that their sous chefs that are at each table will kind of whip them into shape, and I'll threaten to fire them, and hopefully they'll listen.
Yeah, I mean, the wine will be flowing freely by the time they get to their dinner, so you're right. Yeah, you got to make sure that your assistants are on top of these people.
Yeah, and I'm third course, so they've already had a lot of wine before I get up there.
What are you preparing tonight?
I'm doing a smoked tomato Creole sauce it's rustic, it has corn, it has potatoes, carrots, onion, and golden tile, which is a cold deep water fish. Absolutely delicious piece of fish.
For our viewers out there watching, is this dish that sounds so amazing, is this something you serve at your restaurant?
It is. I actually just came out with my first cookbook called From the Tip of My Tongue, and that is one of the recipes that's in that book, and it's a delicious, flavorful. It's a good way to use our homestead heirloom tomatoes and our local fish.
And can they go to Ortonique and have this dish?
Yes, they can.
All right, that's the most important thing, because it sounds so good. For those that aren't here tonight, they can go to Ortonique and try it out.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy yourself tonight. Okay, we're with Chef Eileen Andrade. Is that right?
Yes.
And first of all, you're also one of the local chefs here tonight. You're a chef and restaurant owner. Tell me a little bit about your restaurant, where you cook, and about your restaurant.
Okay, our restaurant's called Finca Table and Tap. It's located in West Kendall, off of Corway 147th Avenue. We're a fusion of Latin Asian, focusing on Cuban, Korean, and Peruvian food. But we have food for everybody. We have pizza, we have a wood-burning oven, really bold flavors, a lot of Asian influence and Peruvian influence. My mentor was Peruvian. So you see a lot of interesting contrast within the food.
Okay, tell me about your role tonight. What are you going to be preparing?
I am the fourth course. I'm preparing a Asian-style churrasco, and it's going to be on a bed of sweet potato mash and green beans, topped with our Asian chimichurri. Really delicious. I hope everyone enjoys it. It's going to be a really fun night.
And the idea of working with just regular people and trying to have them prepare your dish, is that a challenge for you?
Yeah, I mean, when we have people come into the restaurant, I love taking in people who don't have a lot of experience because you get to build them. So it's kind of like that tonight where, you know, it's people who love to cook but maybe don't know how, and you're kind of walking them through it. So it's a collaborative effort. It's going to be really fun.
All right, well, good luck tonight. Have some fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, we're with Chef Adrian Calvo, who is one of the local celebrity chefs here tonight. And Adrian, first of all, you have your own restaurant. You're the chef of Chef Adrian's. Tell me a little bit about your restaurant, where you're located, and what kind of food you do.
Well, we are a Napa Valley inspired restaurant, wine country inspired. We're down in Kendall. We're operating for 8 years now, and this past year we won Best Restaurant Miami. I won Best Chef Florida. It's been an exciting ride, and we're so happy to be here tonight at Veritage Miami. Tonight I'm in charge of the dessert course. I'm making a strawberry shortcake Napoleon. And our guests tonight are going to be able to decorate their plates. They're going to be somewhat of culinary artists themselves, so hopefully everyone will be a little happy, a little drunk by the time they get to dessert time. So I think it's going to be a fantastic night. Most importantly, everyone here is here to make it count. We're supporting the United Way, so what a better way to party than for this?
You mentioned the word drunk, I didn't. And does that make it more challenging or more fun?
Well, I think it's going to be a little bit of both, but you know, it's going to be great.
Is it fun for you to kind of showcase your talents and to the regular at-home cooks?
At-home cooks, well, I think it's always a fun thing for chefs when we get to be on stage and share our craft with everyone, and hopefully we get to inspire some of the home cooks to do the same at home or recreate it.
Last question for you, and can you just give us the exact location of your restaurant for any of our viewers out there who would like to come on by and check it out?
Okay, you can come visit me at 11510 Southwest 147 Avenue or online chefadrians.com.
Thank you, Adrian.
Thank
Good luck tonight.
Thanks.
All that bidding has worked up an appetite for the guests. The doors have opened and they're ready to cook. Time to eat. This was an incredible night here at Veritage Miami. I am so full. I had some incredible food, all prepared by the guests, of course. This was a great event, and most importantly, the event raised money for the United Way, and we will be back next year for Veritage Miami 2016. I'm Randy Kasowitz. See you next time right here on the Beach Channel.